So today I'm going to give you the secret on how to make restaurant style chicken. This is so crunchy on the outside and then very juicy on the inside. You are going to love this one, I promise you. First thing you want to do is to pour some buttermilk into a bowl or a Ziploc bag. So where I am, it's very difficult for me to get buttermilk, so I usually just make it by myself. So I make it by combining milk and vinegar. So for 1 cup of milk, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, and then mix this together and allow this to rest for 5 minutes. So if you're making use of 3 cups of milk, you're going to make use of 3 tablespoons of vinegar. So once that has rested for 5 minutes, you have your buttermilk. So just add in your chicken. I made use of chicken laps and thigh, and then next thing we're going to do is just to cover this up and place in the refrigerator for 2 hours. What this is going to do is going to tenderize your chicken and it's going to infuse flavor into the chicken. So the next thing I'm doing is to combine some all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Next, I'm adding in my seasonings. I love to use chicken seasoning cube because they really elevate the flavor and give that signature taste you're looking for. So I also added in some salt, some coriander, some paprika, some crushed pepper, some oregano and garlic powder. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. You're highly welcome. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. And you can as well give this video a like and comment below. I would really love to hear from you, so do well to comment below. Thank you so much. So the next thing you want to do is just to mix up everything together. The next thing you want to do is to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of the buttermilk marinade into the flour mixture, and then just mix it up with your hands. This will help create the tiny clumps in the flour, which will give the chicken that crispy, grassy coating that you love so much.
Passport in my pocket, dreams in the air. One step and I'm already there. Woke up in Paris, croissant on my plate. Sipping slow mornings, don't wanna be late.
So the next thing you want to do is to coat the chicken. So just take one of the chicken out from the buttermilk and then just allow the excess to drip off. And then the next thing you're going to do is just to place that into a flour mix. So we advise that you make use of one hand holding the wet chicken and the other hand coating the chicken and the flour mix. This will just prevent you from having messy fingers.
Guys never gray. I collect joy, the traveler's way. Take me where the soft lights glow, where the wind speaks what I wanna know. From Lagos heat to Rome's old stone, I'm never lost, I'm just flown. Take me where the soft lights glow, where the wind speaks what I wanna know. From Lagos heat to Rome's old stone.
So ensure all parts of the chicken is well coated with the flour mix. So repeat the same step with the other chicken, and then next you are going to do is just to allow this to rest for 2 to 5 minutes. The reason why you want to allow this to rest for 2 to 5 minutes is that this will help the coating to stick better when frying. And so once that is done, the next thing you are going to do is just to heat up some oil, and then heat your oil in a heavy bottom pot. The reason why you want to use heavy bottom pot is because they prevent hot spots and keep your chicken from burning, and also help to distribute heat evenly. So make sure that you're using heavy bottom pot when frying your chicken. Once your oil is hot, then just gently add your chicken into the oil. I will advise that you only fry one type of chicken part at a time. So if you're working with chicken wings, just fry all the chicken wings together. If you're working with thighs or with lap, so let fry together. And then another thing that you need to do when you add one chicken, just give it like 10 to 15 seconds before you add the next one. This is just to help the temperature not to drop. And then very important, do not overcrowd your pots. So if your pots can just contain 3, so just go with that so that you don't end up with soggy chicken. So if you overcrowd your pot, the temperature is going to drop and then you're going to end up with soggy chicken instead of crispy chicken. So you want to fry the chicken on both sides until golden brown.
Smiles and new tongues, skies never gray. I collect joy, the traveler's way. Take me where the soft lights glow, where the wind speaks what I want to know. From Lagos heat to Rome's old stone, I'm never lost, I'm just flown. Take me where the soft lights glow, where the wind speaks what I want to know. From Lagos heat to Rome's old stone, I'm never lost, I'm just flown.
So once the chicken is fried, the next thing you're going to do is to transfer the chicken to a rag to drain excess oil.
Step into the kitchen, take a seat in my show. Teresa's got the
So after you fried all your chicken, the next thing you're going to do is just to place this in an oven or air fryer for a few minutes. This is to ensure that the inside is well cooked through and also to give the chicken that extra crunch. So this is very, very important. So place it in the air fryer or in an oven for it to cook inside well and also to give it that extra crispy look. As you can see here, this tasted really, really amazing. So crunchy on the outside and very, very juicy on the inside. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. If you do not forget to let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. You can as well share this delicious recipe by clicking on the share button. And as well, check my other previous videos. I even showed how to make your chips very, very crispy, so you don't want to miss that. So do check the description box below. I will drop the link to that particular video. I will see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.
a sprinkle